As Nigeria continued to grapple with the challenges of herders-farmers conflict, the Cardinal Onaiyekan Foundation for Peace has organized a 2-day seminar on strengthening community bonding through effective dispute resolution in Keti community, Abuja. The seminar drew participants from the herders, farmers, security agents, and other stakeholders who came to provide a roadmap for peaceful coexistence in Keti community. CTV News was there.
Over the years, herder-farmers conflict has claimed the lives of innocent citizens and the loss of properties worth millions of naira. It was in light of this that the Cardinal Onaiyekan Foundation for Peace collaborated with Caritas Nigeria to organize a 2-day peace-building and income-generating seminar for Keti community in Abuja.
So by equipping our leaders with the necessary skills, ensuring stability and fostering peaceful coexistence between our community members and external stakeholders.
With the theme, Strengthening Community Bond Through Effective Dispute Resolution, the seminar drew participants from herders, farmers, community leaders, and security agencies to come and find a common ground and how a lasting peace can be achieved in the community.
Context basket. Each basket has the things that you put inside. So we have put them into 3 different baskets. And so when there is a problem, before we go to solve it, we will say, which basket does this problem belong? Now the basket that one problem can go into 2 baskets.
Your wife and your husband. You should sit down and observe what makes your husband to be going out every time. So that
it doesn't end here. We are going to continue to see what we are going to do to sustain this work. Now, the committee has been established. I have given out my number. We are going to work together to make sure we bring this issue of crop farmers and livestock farmers conflict to bring it to stop. I'm going to discuss with the executive director and the management and see this year's own if we are going to bring it to Keti. If it's approved, then we are going to bring it to Keti, and then to support this one fruit that Pastor Muye has asked you to bring, so that we see how we can plant these things for peace. Because apart from the fact that it's a symbol of peace, okay, it's also economic values.
The parish priest of St. John Catholic Church, Keti, and other participants who spoke to CTV News expressed optimism that the seminar will lead to peace in the community.
So government can ensure that there is justice in carrying out policies. Government can ensure that no group is favored against the other. And because the moment people begin to feel that a particular government at a particular time favors one group against the other, then they feel marginalized, and then there are tendencies to sort of resort to actions that threaten peace.
And the challenges we have in the Keti community are, is all these are about the Fulani and the farmers. That is where we normally got the misunderstanding with the farmers and the Fulanis. What normally causes it is that when they destroy the farm crops, when you have it in mind to talk or to charge them to court or in the police station or in the chief palace, then they will not be happy to report them to security. That is where they got angry. And when they got angry for that, then they will go back to the next time to that farm and destroy it forever.
Na farko dai sai an samu haɗin kai daga makiyaya da manomi. A dunga ana zama, ana kawo shawara, ana mitin kowane lokaci. Shugabanninmu suna kira mu, suna ba mu shawara. Mu ma dottawa muna kira yara makiyaya, muna zauna da su. Don Allah su kula, saboda mutanen nan mu riga mun zama ɗaya da su. Bai kamata ka je ka shishi wani ka sai za ka yi arziki ba.
Mun ji daɗi da wannan zama, da mun zama haka gaskiya mun ji daɗi sosai kamar ka da fita nan. abubuwan da ana fada gaskiya mun ji daɗi ba wai karya ba abun da ana faru ne da mu har yanzu an zo yau ana yi mamu gargadi gaskiya mun gode.
And those people, they are patient from what I understand. Even one of the Fulani man in attendance confessed that the Bagdi people has been patient with them, that all they said about the Fulani attacking their crops, their farms, are true, and that he promised to do something for this peace to continue. So this community here, the people here, they are farmers and they are patient people. They want peace to reign.
There is a great problem happening here. The herders and the farmers are not seeing eye to eye. So it is our desire that as they called on his Cardinal Onaiyekan, his eminence, to come to their aid and mitigate the herder-farmer conflict. And at the end, they were all admonished to plant mango trees for men and orange for women. And they should do it as a commitment for peace in the land.
There is no community or society that is devoid of some level of conflict. So by the time you do conflict analysis, when you bring out, when you engage people, you get to see that even in places where you see that, the community is calm, there are some triggers, that can be picked. So Keti as a community has its own peculiar experience. During our assessment, we are able to, sieve out some level of, conflict that needs to be addressed.
The seminar also provided an opportunity for the empowerment of indigent women in Keti community. In Abuja, Tony Abba, CTV News.